everyone. I am Tanush of class 6. Wishing you a very good morning. Today's assembly session will be maintained by class 5th standard boys and girls. A small positive thought can change our life. So I would like to welcome Ratan of class 6 to say to the start of the day. I am Ratan, 5th standard. APJ Abdul Kalam thought education or your degree just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. Thank you. Thank you. Now it's time for news headlines. Now I would like to welcome Raksha of class 5 to say few news headlines.
I am Raksha, 5th standard news headline. Heavy rain forecast for coastal districts of Karnataka. 216 hours of Bharatanatyam performed in recorded time. Nirmala Sitaram conferred Bharat Lakshmi title by Sri Krishnamurti Udupi. Real sighting of desert flamingo ends in tragedy. Thank you.
Thank you. There is lot of amazing facts which make us mesmerizing. So I would like to welcome Pritam of class 3 to say amazing fact.
I am Pritam, 5th standard. Amazing fact: pumpkins are one of the most well-known orange vegetables. ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ. The color is orange is named after the fruit. ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣಿನಂತೆ ಹೆಸರಿಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's time to hear who are my questions. So I welcome Dishita of class 5 to ask question of fruits.
I am Dikshita, 5th standard. My topic is who am I? I am green in color, inside my pulse, yellow in color, outside green. I am rich in fiber and minerals. Who am I?
Jackfruit.
Correct answer, jackfruit. Thank you.
Thank you. Some thoughtful message can change our lives. God, here Pratham of class 5 ready with this thoughtful message. Let's welcome him.
I am Pratham, 5th standard. Thoughtful message. A little girl was holding two apples. Her mother asked for one. The girl quickly bit an apple and then the other. Her mother held back her disappointment. Then the girl handed one to her, saying, "Here, this is the sweeter one. More and never done." Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's time to listen one story with moral. Now I call Suraksha of class 5 to say story. Let's welcome her. I am Suraksha, 5th standard. A stranger. Once there was a farmer. He lived in the village. He had a strange son. He laid a golden egg every day. He sold the golden egg and got high price. He was very greedy and could not wait to become rich. He wanted to be wealthy at once. One day he killed the hen to get all the golden eggs, but he was very disappointed to see that there was only one egg. He felt sorry, but it was no use. Moral: too much desire is bad. Thank you. Thank you. Now we are at the last topic of the session. Now I call Chaitra of class 5 to say a few sentences about mother.
I am Chaitra, 5th standard. My topic is my mother. My mother is very special to me. She is a kind person. My mother helps me with my homework. She always knows how to make me feel better when I am sad. I love my mother very much. My mother is a hard-working person. I admire her strength and dedication. I hope to be as amazing as she is when I grow up. Thank you.
Thank you. Next assembly session will be maintained by class 7 standard boys. Thank you all.